Have you ever wondered what life would be like if you were a genius, the greatest individual in the specific field you were in? Well, you're not alone. Like many others before me, I also dream of one day being at the pinnacle of this great subject, mathematics, but that seems highly unlikely. Being a mathematician, especially a beginner, is hard. Like training for the Olympics, but the Olympics are theoretical proves hard. It's the intellectual equivalent of trying to outrun Usain Bolt, except Bolt eventually retires, and the finish line in math keeps receding into infinite horizons. You will spend long days hunched over equations, nights spent wrestling with stubborn problems, the soul-crushing despair of hitting a dead end while you appear seemingly walls through complex proofs. It's enough to make you want to chunk your textbook at the nearest applied math major. And I'm sorry, applied math majors, we all have our coping mechanisms. And let's not forget the sheer sprawl of the subject. Mathematics isn't a neat track. It's a labyrinth jungle with paths that twist and turn, some seemingly leading nowhere, and others guarded with cryptic symbols that would make hieroglyphs blush. Most undergrads think calculus is tough. Oh, bless their hearts. Wait till they get a taste of algebra and analysis, places where equations can make grown men cry and even the bravest calculators whimper in fear. Here's the kicker. Some mathematicians are, well, for the lack of a better term, freaks. The Terence Taos, the Edward Whittens, Peter Scholes. These four seem to be born with an unfair advantage. Olympiad medals dangling from their necks by the time most of us are figuring how to factor quadratic. Graduating while the rest of us are chasing girls. Becoming professors while the rest of us are looking for jobs. They are the gazelles effortlessly gliding across the mathematical savannah, while the rest of us are just ungainly hippos, snorting and sinking in the swamp of complex analysis. Here's the beautiful truth. You don't have to be a genius to love mathematics. You don't have to be a shoo-in for the Putnam exam to appreciate the elegance of a proof or the thrill of the hunt for a solution. Math is a marathon, not a sprint, and there's beauty in the journey itself, even if you never quite reach the finish line. The struggle is part of the allure. Every conquered concept, every hurdle overcome is a victory, a testament to the sheer grit and perseverance. It's about the satisfaction of untangling a knotty problem, the exhilaration of that aha moment when a solution clicks into place. Sure, you might never find the proof to the Riemann hypothesis, but that doesn't mean you can't find your own personal Everest to conquer in the vast landscape of mathematics. Maybe it's finally wrapping your head around group theory or deriving a beautiful geometric proof. Maybe it's helping a classmate understand a tricky concept, or even just finding a new way to explain an old idea. So, the next time you're drowning in epsilon delta swamps or staring blankly at an indecipherable tensor equation, remember, you're not alone. We're in this together. Every mathematician, even the seemingly superhuman ones, have battled through their own mathematical marathons. The beauty lies not in being the fastest, but in the perseverance, the passion, and the joy of discovery that fuels every step of the journey. After all, even hippos can learn to appreciate the elegance of a well-placed mathematical metaphor. Thank you for watching.